All right, Tuesday, September 26th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. Let's start off with a look at the radar across the region here during the 5 a.m. hour. And over toward the Outer Banks, you have some of the showers associated with Hurricane Maria pivoting just offshore, occasionally scraping through the Outer Banks. I'll give you the full tropical update here in just a moment. You also have some areas of showers through parts of the Plain States. This is all associated with our next cold front, which is stretching from northern Texas all the way up here into parts of Wisconsin and the UP of Michigan. And that cold front will be a game changer for our weather coming up by the end of this week. Let's take a look at our Greensboro tower camera. Again, this is late during the 5 a.m. hour. Pretty quiet stuff. The Dowd YMCA camera, uptown Charlotte, looking pretty good as well here on this early Tuesday morning. Had a really warm day yesterday. These were our final highs for our Monday afternoon. Definitely a lot of warmth across the region. And another warm one today. Details on that in just a second. All right, tropical update time. Way out here in the Atlantic Ocean right here. This is Lee. Lee just kind of meandering over the open waters. No big deal there. Let's focus on Maria. Maria's been getting over this cooler water here in the western Atlantic, getting over some of the water that was churned up by Jose as well. So it's not really a healthy-looking hurricane, but it is hanging on to minor hurricane intensity. As of the 5 a.m. advisory, 32.9 north, 73.1 west, crawling to the north at around 7 miles per hour. Now, the center of Maria is going to stay offshore the Outer Banks by maybe 150 miles or so, but it is an expansive system. The wind field is quite large with Maria. So we have tropical storm warnings up for all the Outer Banks and some of the surrounding areas as well. Now, again, look at Futurecast here. The wind field expansive with Maria. So even though the center remains a good bit offshore, you have those tropical storm force winds extending into parts of the Sound areas and the Outer Banks especially. And this will be a scenario where, due to the track of Maria and the wind flow around Maria, actually Sound side flooding a bigger concern than Atlantic Ocean side flooding. So the Sound side flooding a bigger deal. Could be a few feet of Sound side flooding in some instances, and that'll be especially true anywhere from late tonight into early tomorrow. Improvement by later tomorrow and tomorrow night especially, as Maria finally pulls away. All right. So Maria moving up the coast. We're looking at a partially sunny sky for the interior Carolinas. Maybe a few isolated showers here for parts of the mountain areas today, but most of us are going to be rain-free. There's your highs this afternoon. Another really warm weather day across the region. Tomorrow, again, a warm day. In fact, tomorrow for many of us, the warmest day of the week. Look at these Wednesday highs. Could push 90 in some Piedmont spots, maybe hitting 80 even in Boone. But changes are coming. That cold front, that's your game changer. That gets here late Thursday. Due to the timing of the front, still pretty warm on Thursday. There's your Thursday highs. Look at the South Carolina sites there. Columbia, Charleston, well into the 90s Thursday. But let's fast forward a couple of days. How about this for Saturday? Beautiful stuff for Saturday. And then low temperatures cooling off nicely over the weekend. For instance, there's our Sunday morning lows right there. How about that? That'll feel very, very nice as we get into the upcoming weekend. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Everybody have a wonderful day, and God bless.